Good morning, class. As we have discussed all the questions of this chapter of chapter 11, that is mensuration. Now I am going to start the next chapter, that is chapter 12, exponents and powers. Chapter 12. Exponents and powers. So first I would like to make you learn all that laws of exponents. First law, a to the power m into a to the power n is equals to a to the power m plus n. If the base of the exponent, or if the base of the power is same, but the power on the base are different, and there is a multiplication sign between them, then the power will be added and the base will remain same. And for the same, if a to the power m divided by a to the power n, then it will be a to the power m minus n. So if power are same and if the bases are same and the power are different and with division sign, then power should be subtracted with each other and the base will remain same. And third law is a to the power m whole to the power n. If there is a number which have a power and whole there is another power, then the power will be multiplied. And fourth, if the bases are different and the power are same, if the bases are different and the power are same, and with multiplication sign, then it will be written as a into b whole to the power n. And for fifth, a to the power m upon b to the power m. If the bases are different and there is the power are same, then it will be a upon b whole to the power m. And the last, a to the power minus n. If the power is negative, then it can be written as a to the power 1 upon a to the power n. If the power is negative, then we have to write its reciprocal. And seventh law, a to the power 0. If the power is 0 of any number, then its value will be 1. Then its value will be 1. Note it down. Now I am going to give you the proof of seventh law of exponent, that is a to the power 0 is equals to 1, or the power of any number will be, and its value will be 1. So proof of a to the power 0 is equals to 1. So a to the power 0 can be written as a to the power x minus x, and this a to the power x minus x can be written as a to the power x divided by a to the power x. The by a to the power m minus n is equals to a to the power m divided by a to the power n. So it will be a to the power x upon a to the power x. Then both the number will be cancelled with each other and its value will be 1. Note it down. Now I am going to solve the examples of exercise 12.1. So example first. In example first we have to find the value. So I am going to solve its first part only. Sorry, second part. That is 1 upon 3 to the power minus 2. As I said earlier that if the power is negative, then we have to write its reciprocal. So 1 upon 3 to the power minus 2, then reciprocal of this is 3 to the power 2. It means 3 into 3, that is 9. Okay. Now example 2, we have to simplify it. So example 2, first part. Minus 4 to the power 5 into minus 4 to the power minus 10. So here we use the law, that is a to the power m into a to the power n. The value is a to the power m plus n. Minus 4 to the power 5 plus minus 10. That is minus 4 to the power 5 minus 10. That is minus 4 to the power minus 5. As the power is negative, so we have to write its reciprocal 1 by minus 4 to the power 5. Now the second part of this, 2 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power minus 6. So by a to the power m divided by a to the power n. We have a to the power m minus n. So 2 to the power 5 minus 6. So 2 to the power 5 plus 6. That is 2 to the power 11. So note it down. Now the next example. Example third. We have to express 4 to the power minus 3, 4 to the power minus 3 as the power of base 2. So 4 to the power minus 3. 4 can be written as 2 into 2 whole to the power minus 3. 2 into 2 will be 2 to the power 2 whole to the power minus 3. And by using the law of exponent, here by a to the power m whole to the power n is equals to a to the power m into n. 2 to the power 2 into 3, that is 6 with minus sign, and as it is its power is negative, so we have to write its reciprocal. Note it down. Example 4. We have to simplify it and write the answer in exponential form. So first question, 2 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 8 whole to the power 5 into 2 to the power minus 5. So it can be written as 2 to the power 5 minus 8 by a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equals to a to the power m minus n. So 2 to the power minus 3 whole to the power 5 into 2 to the power minus 5 and 2 to the power minus 3 into 5 into 2 to the power minus 5 by a to the power n whole to the power n is equals to a to the power m into n. So it will be 2 to the power minus 15 into 2 to the power minus 5 2 to the power minus 15 plus minus 5 by a to the power m into a to the power n is equals to a to the power m plus n. 2 to the power minus 15 minus 5, 2 to the power minus 20. Write it down. Now second part. Minus 4 to the power minus 3 into 5 to the power minus 3 into minus 5 to the power minus 3. So here we find that all have the same power. So here we apply minus 4 into 5, minus 4 into 5 whole to the power 3 into minus 5 to the power minus 3 by a to the power m into b to the power m is equals to a to the power b into m. Minus 4 into 5, that is minus 20 to the power minus 3 into minus 5 to the power minus 3. So here we again apply the same thing, same formula. So 25 is 100, 25 is 100 to the power minus 3, as the power is negative, so it is written as by a to the power minus n is equals to a 1 upon a to the power n. Note it down. Now the third part. 1 by 8 into 3 to the power minus 3. So 8 can be written as 1 by 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 to the power minus 3. 1 by 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power minus 3. So the reciprocal can be written as 2 to the power minus 3 into 3 to the power minus 3 by 1 by a to the power n is equals to a to the power minus n. Now this can be written as 2 into 3 whole to the power minus 3 by now 2 into 3 whole to the power minus 3 by a to the power m into b to the power m is equals to a into b whole to the power m. 2 into 3 6 to the power minus 3 as the power is negative, so it can be written as 1 upon 6 to the power 3 as 1 to a to the power minus n is equal to 1 upon a to the power n. Note it down. Okay class, we will do the next question in the next class. It's all over for today. Thank you so much class.